Today, I want to talk about the magical world of face painting and how it aligns with the Montessori and Reggio Emilia's approaches. You see, when kids dive into face painting, they're not just creating art, they're learning to express themselves, gaining confidence and honing their fine motor skills. It's a hands-on journey of self-discovery. In the Montessori way, face painting encourages independence. Kids choose their colors, decide on their designs, and take charge of the process. It's a powerful lesson in decision-making and self-expression. And don't forget the beautiful social aspect. In the Reggio Emilia's approach, face painting fosters collaboration. Kids share ideas, learn from each other, and create something extraordinary as a team. It's all about the joy of exploration and learning from peers. Plus, face painting sparks creativity, ignites imagination, and brings endless joy. It's a wonderful way to nurture a lifelong love for the arts, all while embracing these amazing educational approaches. So parents, let your little artists dive into the world of face painting. Let's paint the world with creativity. Until next time, keep shining.